Here's a quick way in which you can create a photo collage using your Google Pixel phone, and you will be using the Google Photos app in order to access these features. With Android 15 or 16 on your Google Pixel phone, look for the Google Photos app from here or within the app drawer itself. Once you find it, go into it and you'll be taken to the section where you have all the photos that you have on your Google Pixel phone. Now, the best way to go about doing this is looking for the create option right here. When you go to create, you'll see all these options here, and one of them would be the collage feature right there. So go ahead and tap on collage, and you will most likely start off with this right here. You got the basic one with just a frame only, or if you want some more other options to get a little bit more creative, you have these right here. Now, if you decide to go with either one of these, it's up to you. So I'll just go ahead with this one for demonstration purposes. You'll have the plus here, which will take you to your photos and make you have the option to select what you want. So I'll just go ahead and select this one here. I'll also go ahead and tap another one to access one here. Now, every time you add a photo, you can hold it down and move it around and also zoom in to make changes to any one of them. You can also edit the photo to increase the brightness and make any changes to it as you would edit any other photo. You got all these other options here as well. And it's up to you to go about doing that. But just to be quick as possible, I'll just go ahead and show you how to add some more photos. So usually we'll start off with 2. If you want to add another one, just press the plus and it'll allow you to add another photo. So I'll go ahead now and just increase the size of this one here. And you can just make the changes as you add them. So each one of them, depending on how much you add, will give you more different options. Now with all that said and done, you'll have your photo collage looking like this here once you're done with all the changes, all the edits. And of course, with all that said and done, once again, you can now go into the save option. So just go ahead and save, or if you want to try out some other styles before you make that save decision, okay? And it's up to you. And if you're decided that that's what you want, just press save and it's going to create the collage for you. And you can just go ahead and back out of it and then it'll appear as the latest photo there. So you can just go ahead and view that. And from here on, you can just go ahead and just share it to friends, or if you want to, just leave it there and use it for another time, like I said.